You know, this is a national government project.
Yeah.
It's a program, not even a project, but a program, a national government.
Yeah.
Yeah, targeted because there were concerns about the Mau forest. And there were concerns like the climate in this country, and even the environment, because with the tree cover, in this country. So the current regime can say that's why to make a so to regain, to restore our forest cover. But again, as much as the national government is doing it, county leadership, you know, we have lost the entire forest here, almost because maybe the government is planning college forest, something else like Nyangwata forest we were discussing the other day. Maybe government here but a sugar factory or AI sugar factory or the forest covered basically like Nyamira, what should be done with the county government? The county government is the national government. The county government is the department of the environment. It gives a budget. The national government is doing this. The county government is doing something.
At least you duplicate.
Yes. Because we have interfered in a source ya mache asange. For example, when you come to Kisii, a source ya Kisii University is almost dying. Because people have interfered in the killed. Mete angle lia match in the ground, one negative. Magna angle lia match about by year. We saw Kanda Nyanjuarian and Kansas Nyanjua Stadium. Those were the best streams Kwango Miragusi. Kwango Bucha Mache, Kisiton, Kwan. Montoka kana nekuwa kwa tegari au bucha macho bekali meje ko skora match bekali mochkon lakini bona gati yadota dry completely dry because we have interfered with the service here match so here match ya elder. So as the national government does whatever they are doing tigira neta bunga ki county government na inu set aside resources in the budget ye county usimeke mete na maintain environment otherwise na whatever si wejere class bosongo it's true.
It's true.
The craft ones, business people, the craft ones, maybe senior batching tambeta on Niga. Mbabeke kwende chabo cha se chimano cha busi water and automatically Kisii wala squeeze korokwa so baka nyende mbulego tu enyinga bayigolera kuchirwa kochiro nya sana yataka nya sana yakari go kumya ndimo igolere mbrosi bora ba ndari go takinye mukokole story takimbrate so kemo ntiapa response batanga kia environment friends kwenye maintain tore tari monto moja ku maintain environment